The value of proactive service comes from a combination of improving production uptime, reducing maintenance costs, and achieving quality with high productivity. Lost time and lost production occur from tool breakdowns and NOK results. This reduces production uptime. Preventative maintenance reduces disruption from breakdowns, and Desoutter on-site support allows tightening issues to be resolved faster. This helps improve production uptime and generates savings. Improved uptime, together with lower maintenance costs and improved quality with high productivity, this is the value of proactive service. Discover our proactive service solutions and contact us to discover the potential savings in your plant.